Let me show you how to cook this leg of lamb in a wood-fired oven. To start, we need some potatoes. Chop them however you like, some carrots, and diced onions, letting the lamb roast with all those rich, beautiful flavors. Now that everything is ready, we get to the part that really makes this dish special, the marinade. Start with olive oil, harissa, and tomato paste. Then add chili powder, rosemary, and thyme. Finish with a touch of salt, and mix everything until smooth and well combined. Generously coat the lamb with the marinade, making sure every inch is fully covered and layered with flavor, so everything cooks together and the flavors build as it roasts. And for the final touch, a bunch of basil on top to give it that extra layer of fresh flavor. Then cover everything tightly with aluminum foil so it can cook slowly and beautifully in the oven. The oven is already blazing at 800 degrees Fahrenheit. With the coals evenly spread and the heat just right, we'll gently slide the tray into the center of the oven. Then I'll close the oven and let the lamb cook low and slow for a good 4 hours.
All right, this is the moment we've been waiting for all day. Let's carefully pull the lamb out of the oven, and voila! That's how I make the juiciest leg of lamb in the world.